feeling good about this coat. Thank you. I appreciate you letting me borrow it. I feel like it. Very professional. Tonight, Veda Scott beat Mia Yim. That's right. I know. It seems unbelievable, doesn't it? This is for the internet, right? Internet's not happy about it. But you can't stop talent. Once I'm given an equal opportunity, which I took tonight, you can't stop talent. I beat Mia Yim. And tonight, Josh Prohibition beat Gregory Iron. Oh wait, no, asterisk. He didn't. Gregory Iron beat Josh Prohibition. And why? The 4 count. Again, equaling the playing field.
It was a great moment in my life. I'd like to thank you, Veda Scott, and most of all, I'd like to thank the AIW fans for all their support. Oh, wait, no, you guys don't give me any support, do you? Well, I guess I did it on my own, like I do everything, with the help of my partner here, Veda. It was a great moment. I'm going to cherish it till the day I die. In fact, I'm a little bit dressed down right now. What do you say we go out and party tonight, and then the next AIW show, we continue that party and let the AIW fans see just how happy and proud we are that change is coming, baby. I just made that up. That could be a hit.
That was good. That was good. We're going to roll that out. Next YouTube video. We just want an opportunity, an equal opportunity. That's all we want. That's all that's fair.
And we're going to get it, or else.